Hello, my name is Tim. I'm from China. Right now I'm studying aircraft maintenance in level 3 and I arrived Canada in September 2016. And before I come to Canada, I was in university studying biomedical engineering. Personally, I'm a big aircraft enthusiastic, so that's why I chose the aircraft maintenance program. Over Canada, there's a lot of schools provide this program, but only Fanshawe provide a co-op, and their service for the international student is really very kindly. That's the main reason why I come to Fanshawe. The main difference I found between Canada and China is Fanshawe College is more emphasized on hands-on skill. So in the morning, we will have a full theory class from 8 to 10. In the afternoon, we will have hands-on project from 12 to 3. The hangar of Fanshawe College of the Aviation School, they are just right beside the airport. So in my program, the aircraft maintenance, there's two options, co-op versus non-co-op. Choosing the co-op program maybe is the most brilliant decision in my life, one of them, because this co-op program gives me the opportunity to work with Air Canada for a whole year, which is a great experience and also build up my work experience in Canada. Air Canada is the biggest airline over Canada, so it really broadened my horizon and helped me seeing through what this industry looks like. While I was working for Air Canada, during the whole year co-op, I decided, beside the work, I also want to study something. And because I'm a big aviation enthusiastic, I decided to pursue a pilot training. Now, if you're wondering how London, Ontario looks like from 3,000 feet above the ground, see it yourself. I found London, Ontario is a really peaceful city. Imagine if you want to study, you might want a quiet environment instead of a really metropolitan area like Toronto. But also, if you want to have fun during the weekend or holiday, it's not too far from the major city as well. It's like only 2 hours drive. You can have fun for a couple of days and come back. And I mean, this balance of the lifestyle is pretty ideal. Well, as an international student, before you come to Canada, I strongly advise you contact the representative of international office from Fanshawe College because they are super helpful. And go look up Fanshawe's website for getting know more about your program, your courses, and even your future career orientation. So if you want to engage a career into aviation, I would strongly suggest seize this window of opportunity.